Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So today in this video I will teach you more about imperative sentences. Okay, so this is the second part of the l'imperative affirmative. In this video we will cover the negations, the exceptions and the pronominal verbs with l'imperative. Okay, so now let me remind you guys a little what we learned in the part 1 of l'imperative affirmative. So we had learned in the part 1 is that how to make a imperative, simple imperative sentences in French. Okay, so imperative sentences को कैसे बनाते हैं वो हमने सीखा था, and it is used to give orders, give commands, okay, to make an advice, to make a request, etc. Okay, so this is the imperative sentences. So there were 4 rules to make the imperative sentences. Number 1 is we have use only 3 persons, tu, nous and vous. Number 2 is we don't use the subject pronoun in the beginning of the sentence. Alright. Number 3 is we don't use the s in the second person of singular. Okay, that is in the tu, in the conjugation of tu form in er regular verbs. We don't use s. And number 4 is we use the exclamation mark always in the end of the sentence of the imperative sentence. Okay, so there were 4 rules to make it. Now we will learn some exceptions to make the imperative sentence. Okay, so there are 4 exceptions in French to make it imperative. So number 1 is avoir, second is être, third is savoir and fourth is vouloir. Okay, so there are 4 verbs which had exceptions to make the imperative sentences. So number 1 is avoir. Avoir means to have. Okay, avoir verb is used to have. So these are the forms of tu, nous and vous. Okay, tu, nous and vous. These are the 3 forms. Okay, as I told you that we have used only 3 persons, tu, nous and vous. So start with tu. With tu and with avoir we use aie, A-I-E. Okay, pronunciation is aie. So tu aie, nous ayons, okay, nous ayons, vous ayez. I don't have written the subject pronoun because we don't use in the subject pronoun in the imperative sentences. So that's why I have to write only conjugation. Alright. Aie, ayons, ayez. For être, être means to be. Okay, être means to be. Sois, soyons, soyez. Sois is with tu, soyons is with nous and soyez is with vous. Third is savoir. Savoir means to know. Okay. Sache, sachons, sachez. Sache is with tu, sachons is with nous and sachez is with vous. Okay. Sache, sachons and sachez. Now, fourth is vouloir, which means to want. Okay. Vouloir, to want. Veuille, veuillons and veuillez. Veuille is with tu, veuillons is with nous and veuillez is with vous. So there are 4 exceptions in French with imperative sentences. Okay, avoir, être, savoir, vouloir. So these are the exceptions. It is what we have to remember when we do the imperative sentences. So please keep this in mind. Now we will learn how to do negations in imperative. Okay, so this is a formula ne plus verb plus pas. So this is the same formula. Okay, we have to use the same formula as we used in the other conjugation. Okay, other negative conjugations. So ne plus verb plus pas. So normally, for example, lisez. Okay, lisez. So which means read. Lisez, lire is a verb which means to read. Okay, lire, L-I-R-E, lire, which means to read. So here I conjugate lire is lisez. Okay, as I give order that read. So lisez. Alright, this is a positive statement. But how we make it negative? We have to put ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So this is a very simple. Ne lisez, ne lisez pas and exclamatory mark. Follow the same rules. Okay, same rules, same 4 rules which I told you earlier. The same rule in this, that we don't use the subject pronoun, okay, in negations also, and we have to put exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence. Ne lisez pas. All right. So this is very simple. We have to only put ne before the verb and pas after the verb. Now we will see that how we do the imperative sentences with pronominal verbs. Okay. So I have to take in this verb s'appeler, which means to call. Okay. S'appeler, which means to call. So here this is the conjugation of conjugation in the present tense of pronominal verb. This verb. Okay. In the present tense. Tu t'appelles, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez. Okay. Tu t'appelles, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez. Now we will see that how we make it imperative. Okay. So here we use T apostrophe. वैसे तो इसमें मतलब त आते हैं ना, TE. This is the stress pronoun. To, nu and vous. Okay. These are the stress pronoun. So because appeler starts with vowel, okay, so that's why we have to remove E and put apostrophe in front of A. So tu t'appelles, now pronounce like this, tu t'appelles. All right. So te, nu and vous becomes toi, nu and vous. Okay. Te is become toi and nu, vous remains same in the imperative. Okay. Now, so what we have to do in this, we have just reverse these two. Okay. We have to reverse these two. Reverse. Okay. That means vous को हम आगे लगाएंगे and appeler को पहले. Okay. So we have to reverse these two. Now, see, appelle toi. Okay. That means call you. Appelle toi. And we have to put exclamatory because this is an imperative sentence, and te becomes toi in the pronominal verbs. Te becomes toi, and these two have to be reversed in the imperative sentence. So that's why appelle is written before and toi is after. So toi should become after the verb. Okay, and nu should become after the verb, same as it is, and vous also come after the verb. So appelle toi and put the exclamatory. Appelons nous, put the exclamatory. Appelez-vous, and now put the exclamatory at the end. And here appelle is the conjugation of appeler. Okay, with tu. So as I told you, the second rule, that with tu we have to remove s in the imperative sentences in the case of ER regular verb. So appeler is a ER ending verb. Okay, ER ending verb. So that's why we have to remove s in the end of the conjugation. Okay. So appelle toi. That's why we have to written as this. Appelle toi. Appelons-nous. Appelez-vous. Appelez-nous means let's call. Appelez-vous, call you. Okay. So this is how we make the imperative sentences with pronominal verbs. Okay. Now we will see that how to do negations with pronominal verbs. Okay. Negations. So here I have taken this verb se regarder, which means to watch. Se regarder. Okay. So this is the pronominal verb because of se. So these are the affirmative imperative sentence. Okay. Regarde-toi. That means you watch. Regarde-toi. Regardons-nous. Okay. Regardons-nous, which means let's watch. Okay. Regardons-nous, let's watch. And regardez-vous, you watch. But how to do negations? Okay. How to do negations? So we don't have to change anything in the negations. Okay, when we have to make the negative sentence from positive to negative in the pronominal verbs in imperative sentences, that means we don't have to change anything in the negations. We just follow the rule. Okay, follow that rule. These 4 rules, we have to follow that rule only. Okay, we don't have to change anything. that जैसे अभी हमने किया था ना कि इन्वर्स कर दिया था, मतलब लाइक दिस. सो इसमें हमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. These are the remains constant as the positive one, like न त regard pa. Okay, regard twa, न त regard pa. We don't use the stress pronoun in the negations. Okay, like जैसे इसमें हमने त्वा किया था त से. Okay, त becomes twa in the positive one, but no, in the negative sentences we have remains the same as in the pronominal verb in the present tense. So न त regard pa, only we have to do that न and pa is added, बस और कुछ नहीं. बस हमें इसमें न and pa add किया है जैसे कि हमने सीखा था. ओके, नेगेशंस में हम क्या करते हैं, न एंड पा ही तो ऐड करते हैं ना. ओके, न इज यूज बिफोर द वर्ब एंड पा इज यूज आफ्टर द वर्ब. सो दैट्स इट, वी हैव टू यूज दैट रूल ओनली. ओके, न त रिगार्ड पा. एंड येस, सो व्हेन वी डू नेगेशंस, सो त नु वू should always come before the verb. Okay, so in the positive one, it has to be come after the verb. And in the negative sentences with pronominal verb, in the negative sentences, these are the pronouns which we had put before the verb. Okay, before the verb in negations and after the verb in affirmative sentences. So this is how we make the imperative sentences. न त regard pa. And yes, also regarde is a verb which has ending er. Okay, this is er ending verb, so that's why we don't put s here. Okay, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे s नहीं लगाया है. Negations में भी we follow the same rule. न त regard pa, न nu regardo pa, and न vu regarde pa. न त regard pa, न nu regardo pa, न vu regarde pa. Okay, so regard tua, look at you. न त regard pa, don't look at you. Okay, regardo nu, let's look. न nu regardo pa, let's don't look, or let's not to look. Regarde vous, let's look at you. Look at you. And न vous regarde pa, don't look at you. So these are the positive pronominal verbs with imperative sentences, and these are the negative imperative sentences in the pronominal verbs. Okay, so this is how we use the negations and pronominal verbs in the imperative sentences. Okay, and yes, exceptions is the most important part, because exceptions like मतलब उसमें अलग conjugations होती हैं. So okay, exceptions has the different conjugations, so that's why we have to learn by heart. Okay, and please keep this in mind when you make the imperative sentences ever in French. So please subscribe, like and share this video, share this channel more and more, and I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.